Managing your Collabathon and judging submissions is simple with the Creator Panel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the Creator Panel and review submissions step by step. Once your Collabathon is live, start by going to the Tickets tab. Here, you can view your revenue and participant data. This section allows you to track total revenue, check pending requests, and view the full sales ledger with transaction details. Next, move to the Panel tab. This is where the judging process takes place. Under the Pending section, you'll find all the submitted entries from participants. To evaluate a track, simply listen to the audio. Enter a score out of 10 and provide your feedback. Click on Submit Score to finalize your rating. The system will instantly update the submission status. You can view all graded submissions under the Scored tab. That's how you manage your Collabathon and handle submissions efficiently using the Creator Panel.